Hi guys, so we're gonna make Vaghareli Khichdi today, the leftover Khichdi, and I'll show you the recipe. So there's some oil and some Jeeru, and we'll let it, what is it called? Sparkle? No, splatter. Then we'll add some marchu, garlic, ginger. Okay, well, let that also sizzle. What's it called, Rihan? Sizzle. Okay.
Then you put the onions.
Yeah.
Then you put the rice.
Oh yeah.
Then you mix it.
Correct. So then we'll have to let the onions cook though a little bit, right? For like 3 to 5 minutes, I guess.
And 6 to 9 minutes, I guess.
Yeah. If we want it to have a little bit of a crunch, isn't it?
Yeah.
Okay.
And also, when it's done, we can make the dal. Then the beans will fry up.
The beans? Where did the beans come from? There's no beans in here. There's only onions, green chili, garlic, ginger, and some jeeru. And Ba had put some other and red marchu inside the rice itself.
Yeah, and they're gonna take it out. Then they try to make the dal. Then they try to make a little thingy. Then the rice comes with all the veggies.
Okay. So now see, the onions are cooked, or they're cooking. We're gonna wait another few minutes for them to cook a little bit more. And then Ba will add in the rice.
Yeah, then the rice will cook up too. Then when they're done with the rice, and everything is cooked, they can put in another pot. Then they put the dal with it. Then they mix it again.
But behind the dal, where's the? Oh, you're talking about that dal that you ate? Oh, okay. Yeah, not that one. This is just the plain Vaghareli Khichdi no recipe, okay? The leftover khichdi ati ne, ene avu onions ne avu vaghar karwano. Then they don't need the dal on top. The dal is used when you have plain khichdi. Okay? Alright, Vihan.
When Ba put the rice, so it's going to take a while while Ba mix it. Then when it's done, we can eat it. Then you can put the dal.
I keep telling you that there's no dal in this recipe. Actually, this goes well with dahi maybe. Even plain is fine. Sometimes I just eat it by itself because it's yummy also by itself. But usually people eat it with dahi, yogurt. And the dal that you're talking about, you would eat that with plain khichdi when there's no onions and peppers, and like when it's not fried like this, then you will put dal and curry on top. That's the original khichdi that you ate. But then what we did was there was leftover khichdi, and so Ba Vagharified it like this because Dada likes it. Dada likes this khichdi. So now Dada might have eaten this by itself. And sometimes it's good with yogurt or even, I don't know, chas. I don't know. Maybe people eat it differently, but I eat it with dahi.
No, I'll explain to you.
You're gonna explain? Okay.
Take it off.
Wait. No. It's just on. Just you can speak.
Oh, it's so well. Ba's Vaghareli it. Then Ba's gonna give it to Dada at the store.
Yeah.
Then Dada will eat it. Then back, Dada wants food. So Ba makes another food like Vaghareli Khichdi again. Then it's all done. Ba can give it back to Ba.
Dala. How about you speak in some Gujarati now? Try to say it in Gujarati.
But how?
Try. So start it with કે છે ને દાદાને આ બહુ જ ભાવે છે એવું બોલ.
દાદા બહુ ભાવે છે.
Yeah. અને તને ભાવે છે આ? તને ભાવે છે?
ના.
Oh, why? આ તો બહુ tasty લાગે ખબર છે?
ના.
It is tasty, Vihan. Go taste some. You want to taste some? See how nice it is on the plate? Let's go taste some, okay?
Alright.
Alright.